ready to transform your eBay dropshipping from chaotic to controlled with the power of automation. Today, we're diving deep into AutoDS, your ultimate tool for mastering eBay dropshipping success by streamlining and automating your entire operation. First, let's talk about sourcing instead of manually searching countless supplier sites. AutoDS helps you discover trending and profitable products from various sources like Amazon and Walmart directly within the platform. You can explore their vast catalog, filter by profitability, and find items ready to list on your eBay store. Once you've found your winning products, AutoDS takes over the crucial task of price and stock monitoring. It automatically scans your suppliers for any price changes or stock level updates. This means no more unexpected losses due to your supplier increasing prices or running out of stock. AutoDS instantly adjusts your eBay listings accordingly, keeping you competitive and preventing overselling. Now, for the magic of order fulfillment. When a customer buys from your eBay store, AutoDS automatically processes and places the order with your supplier. This eliminates the tedious manual step of reordering each item individually, saving you immense time and reducing the chance of human error. And it doesn't stop there. AutoDS automatically retrieves the tracking information from your supplier and uploads it to your eBay order, keeping your buyers informed and improving your seller metrics. By implementing AutoDS, you're not just dropshipping. You're building a scalable and efficient business. You can manage numerous listings, monitor multiple suppliers, and fulfill orders all from one central hub. Master AutoDS, and you'll unlock the true potential of your eBay dropshipping venture. Start automating today and watch your business thrive.